What?
Can you come in my concert, please?
Come in your concert?
Yeah.
What is your concert?
None.
What are you going to sing for your concert?
I don't know.
I have an idea of what you should sing.
What?
Moon River. You know all the words to that song. Sing that.
Moon River, larger than mine, crosses you die a day, and the day meet her, break her. After rain and sway around a bed, huckleberry friend, Moon River, and
Very good.
can you just Tiny?
You skipped part of it. You skipped two. Well, first you skipped Dream Maker. Two hearts.
No, I already did that.
Okay, but then you skipped two dressers.
Cathedral. Two sisters. Cathedral. And what?
There's such
Water flow to see. Oh, you have to do this.
Oh, I do.
My huckleberry friend, River, and me. I have a huckleberry friend. I have a huckleberry friend.
Who's that?
What?
Who's your huckleberry friend?
I don't know.
Oh. So can you sing the whole song at once? Right over there, or right over here, and show us how you do show us how you're supposed to sing the song.
This time we're gonna sing it really loud.
No, just sing it regular loud, like Moon River, wider than a mile.
Alright, talking to my I was talking to my